I am Navin Mistry, Head of Retail Exports and Lifestyle Categories for eBay India. Thank you so much for taking your time from a busy schedule and joining us for this milestone announcement. We are delighted to have with us Mr. Latif Nathani, Vice President and Managing Director for eBay India, and Mr. Raj Kundra, CEO for Best Deal TV. Let me invite Mr. Latif Nathani to come on stage and share details on our partnership. Over to Latif.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for coming to this event. We really appreciate it. So without further ado, let me get started. Let me start out by talking a bit about eBay. So eBay, as you know, has been around for about 20 years. We have 157 million buyer base, customer base all across the world. We have 80 crore product listings as of our last earnings release. Our app has been downloaded more than 279 million times, and we enabled e-commerce value of $255 billion last fiscal year. Our history in India is about a decade old. Today, we have a customer base of more than 4 million all across the country from more than 4,500 towns and cities. We have more than 3 crore product listings, and we have more than 65,000 sellers who sell on our platform in India. We have a multi-channel strategy. Our strategy is threefold. We sell domestically. So out of the 65,000 sellers, more than 40,000 sellers sell within India. We have an import business. So we bring multiple listings and variety from all across the globe to the Indian buyer. So the Indian buyer can go to ebay.com and see product listings from across the globe in Indian rupees. And that price includes the price of the product, plus logistics, plus any applicable custom duties. And last but not the least is our export business, our cross-border business, which is a very unique differentiator in the e-commerce market in India. Let me speak about that a bit. So here are some fast facts. As I mentioned earlier, we have more than 20,000 sellers who sell across the globe. What will be interesting for you to know is we have created significant velocity in that business. In 2012, this number of sellers was about 1,000. So we have grown 20-fold in terms of these number of sellers in 3 years. And that's not a surprise when you realize that every 10 seconds, somebody in the world on the eBay platform buys a product from an eBay India seller. Every 10 seconds. We have more than 671 export hubs all across India, 3.5 million listings, and out of the 206 countries that eBay has presence in, we have exported to more than 150 countries. You know, what is also exciting is the entrepreneurship that this has boosted. So on average, our retail exporters employ 6.1 full-time people and 2.6 part-time staff. On average, they sell across 31 countries. We are the number one in this opportunity, and let me talk to you about that briefly as well. So we are the number one in terms of retail exports. Last year, the Honorable President gave out awards for retail exports, and we were proud to have 2 out of 3 winners are being eBay sellers. We have worked very closely with the government and the Honorable Prime Minister's Make in India campaign, and this close association has resulted in a significant advancement in terms of the foreign trade policy that got announced, which for the first time recognized retail exports. The government recognized that exports can happen in single units, and that can happen from our towns and villages where we have artisans and craftsmen who are exporting India's culture to the world. We have tied up with industry associations like FIO, the Confederation of All India Traders, which represents more than 6 crore traders across the country. we are promoting art and craft across India. We have partnered in Gujarat with Craft Roots and Gurjari, in Odisha with the State Handloom Corporation. We have partnerships with other major associations all across India. Let me give you a sample of that. Can we please place the video? You know, that's the beauty of the eBay platform. This platform is agnostic of its size. Anybody can set up a shop on eBay and start selling all over the globe. Let me show you how we have enabled the ecosystem. So as I mentioned, we are an open marketplace, so somebody can quickly come and set up a shop and start selling. We are partnered with PayPal, so we have realization in 26 currencies. So the currency exchange happens and automatically the funds come into the bank account of the seller. We also have enabled PowerShip. This is one of our significant inventions that was built in India for the Indian market. And what this does, it gives the benefit of the huge volume that eBay does to the smallest seller. So they get the benefit of the volume discounts from our logistics partners. We have created this platform which ties eBay, the seller, the logistics partner, and the buyer all on the same platform. So everybody is aware of the status of the shipment or the product. We have trading assistant and we give market insights to our sellers. So that enables them to be competitive in the global market that's required today. And as I mentioned earlier, we work with government and industry associations to influence policies that benefit our seller community. The top 5 export destinations for us are US being number 1 with 60% of our business, UK 20%, Australia again 20%, and then Canada and Russia. The top product lines that are exported is jewelry, ethnic women's wear, handicrafts, sporting goods, and Ayurvedic medicinal products. As you can see, this covers the breadth of what India has to offer. And who is the customer? So the customer is the immediate customer for us is the global Indian diaspora. And that, according to the government's numbers about 25 million worldwide. And that's just the low-hanging fruit. Because as you know, Bollywood and our media has made Indian culture and Indian media popular and loved all across the world. Our cuisine is loved all across the world. So this is just the low-hanging fruit for us, and that's the immediate customer. And so today, it gives me significant pleasure and an honor to introduce my friend and introduce this partnership with Best Deal TV.
Good afternoon, everybody, members of the press. Thank you so much for coming here in attendance. I'd like to start by saying thank you to Mr. Latif, Naveen, Shakir, and everyone involved in putting this project together. Like Mr. Latif rightly said, that there's a huge Bollywood fan following, not just in India, but internationally as well. And the USP that we emphasize with Best Deal TV to bring celebrity-endorsed products to the Indians worldwide and in India, that dream is now coming true. We delivered in India. The last 5 months, we've been having over 40 to 50% month on month, and last month we did 113% increase in business just for the Indian market. And now with this unique opportunity with eBay, we get to sell our products, our unique products, to all the Indian-loving fans, which, like you rightly said, was the lowest hanging fruit, but also the foreigners that aspire and love Bollywood, the dresses, the jewelry, the products that we have. So going forward, this unique association is going to allow all our celebrity products to be available worldwide. We've had a lot of interest since we've launched from Indians living in Dubai, in UK, in America, and this was the opportunity that we were looking for. It could have been very expensive in setting up individual shops in every country, and the uniqueness that eBay brings with the CBT, with the cross-buyer trade business, I think we're going to take full advantage of that and hope to have a very flourishing business soon. I was sitting backstage with Mr. Latif, and he told me that they visited a vendor in Chandigarh who just set up a small unit and decided that he was not going to supply India. So he took a loan overdraft, opened up a shop on eBay, and started exporting worldwide. and they said, "आज 5 साल बाद उसके पास 2-4 buildings है." So I hope हमारा business चल जाए और 2-4 building मैं भी ले लूँगा. But thank you so much for being here once again, and thank you, Mr. Latif, for this unique opportunity with eBay. And I guess I'll take the pleasure to introduce my boss and my beautiful wife, Shilpa Shetty. Thank you.
Oops. A very good afternoon to all the members of the press. Ladies and gentlemen, it's such a wonderful day for us at Best Deal TV to come together and collaborate with eBay. And we're so very thankful to them to give us this platform. It's always known that there is a huge fan following abroad as well for Bollywood. And we couldn't have chosen a better platform than eBay to market our products. And Latif was just telling me backstage that we hadn't even done this press conference. And the site was just up, and they sold the first SSK sari last evening to a lady in Sri Lanka for $50. So that was a welcome piece of news. And that just goes to show and reiterates the fact that there are a lot of buyers worldwide who are interested in buying products and they don't have the access. So we're really happy that we've come together and we've joined hands. And thank you so very much, Latif, for having the faith in us. And I really hope we tread the long mile. Thank you so much.
Sorry, I'm just going to welcome now one of the first celebrities that joined hands with us, that had a vision and believed that unique celebrity-endorsed products would do really well. Quite a smart, fantastic actress and a budding entrepreneur now as well. I'd like to introduce to you all Neha Dupia.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's just wonderful to be here and sharing stage with such eminent personalities from their respective fields. Shilpa, of course, needs absolutely no introduction. Mr. Latif has done more than enough in his life, who also needs no introduction. And Raj, of course, did lots and lots more than we expected, and he continues. I don't know where he gets that energy from, but it's just fantastic to be here on stage. Yeah, I mean, you've pretty much seen and heard everything about this big and grand merger where the world will have spectacular things to buy from Best Deal and eBay. Doesn't get better than that. And I'm glad I'm a part of that world, both on this side and the other side, as a consumer and somebody who's selling products. So it's great. I started off with my association with Best Deal TV, selling something very different, which most celebrities are seen selling hair, but we took it to the next level, and I went ahead and we started selling hair extensions, and no pun intended, but as an extension of that, we went on to coming up with another fantastic product, which was if I may use the word, slimily introduced to us by Shilpa herself, because all these years, I've been extremely envious of, not only me, but every woman out there is extremely envious of how amazing Shilpa's hair looks. And then I went and asked her, I said, what do you do? And she's just like, you know what, I use this little hair dryer, which I actually robbed off my niece, and it had all these different gadgets and stuff to it. And then Raj, of course, being the business mind that he is, and he was just like, you know what, I want to sell this product. And luckily, he was just like, who can I get to sell this hair product? And he was just like, I already have somebody who's selling hair, so let's get a hold of Neha. I jumped at that opportunity. You're going to see that fantastic product today, so thank you, Shilpa, for letting go of that so that I could sell that, and my hair looks almost close to being as amazing as yours. Yeah, if I may confess, Shilpa on a bad hair day is me on a good hair day, so... So yeah, I mean, it's great, but we're not talking about any bad hair days here. We're only talking about fantastic days because we have fantastic people on stage, great mergers. Congratulations, everyone. And I'm just great. And I mean, more than anything, I'm just extremely excited to be here. So thank you. And thank you for all the members of the press who managed to come here, even without the black and yellows. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, more than happy to take. Mic is there.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Over here, to your right, guys, to your right. Hi.
Left.
Sorry, left. So congratulations for coming up with this venture. My question goes to Mr. Latif. So Mr. Latif, why you selected these countries, USA, UK, and Australia? Exactly the thing is this, that mostly people living in these countries are either fan of Hollywood stars or football sports stars and other sports stars like. So what is that thing which will make them fascinated by these products which are being endorsed by Bollywood celebrities like?
Right. So on? Okay. So I can tell you, having lived in the US for 25 years before coming to India, I can tell you about the excitement that we, Indians abroad have about Bollywood and about, about Bollywood products. Actually, funny enough, when I used to, go to see the movies, the line for the Bollywood movie would be longer than the Hollywood line. So, just personal sort of reflection on that. But the beauty of it is, eBay is a platform where from here, from India, Best Deals is able to satisfy the aspirations of the Indian diaspora. And, I think you guys can find enough stories where you go to different countries and people are familiar with Bollywood and are actors and actresses. And, they have done a fabulous job of spreading India's culture and India's name. And I think this is a great partnership because, the eBay platform is agnostic and it reaches the 157 million buyers across 206 countries. So I think this is a fabulous match. What Raj and Shilpa have done with Best Deals TV is truly brilliant. And, I think we couldn't have been happier in terms of forging this partnership.
And Neha and Shilpa.
Sure, please, Shilpa.
Yeah, since you guys are just turning up, since you guys are turning up to be endorsing your own styles and products, so is it like Bollywood celebrities turning to be marketing people? Is it like that?
Are you saying that we're going to be the face of products, or are you just saying that we're going to be marketing people?
Yeah, face of the product and as well as marketing people.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, we are, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's what we do for a living. We market and sell products, and we make movies, and we're very proud that people believe in us and the things we say to them. And yes, this is the best marketing gimmick that there is, Bollywood and cricket, and that's what Raj does best, get the best people forward, and that's what eBay does best. And yes, we're going to be marketing the products for them by using our face, by using our voice, because we're on TV, and by using our conviction, because, I still have the hair extensions on. I've used the 6-in-1 hair product right now to do my hair. So yeah, we're like living, walking, talking examples of using the products. So it's great. And I've seen Shilpa in those, jeggings, even when she's not posing in front of the camera. So yeah, and she makes them look like $1 million. So, and I bought them. So yeah, that's great.
Hi,
Mr. Latif.
Shilpa,
Just elucidating.
Akhilesh here from TV24. Akhilesh.
Just 1 second. 1 second.
Aisa,
Excuse me.
ये चल रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ,
हाँ.
yeah.
Also, just taking it a bit further and elucidating on what Neha had to say regarding the products. You know, we've endorsed products for you know, a lot of people, and I take the carte blanche of even speaking for Neha. And the only difference being that for Best Deal TV and the products that we are leveraging our name for here on our channel is that there is an added onus because, you know, it's not just a product, we're also partners in the product. So everything from the inception stage to what the product does is endorsed by us. So here we're not just taking money and, you know, just posing for the product. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes by the celebrities themselves. You know, when it comes to, you know, even okaying the Alchemy extensions, there was a lot of input by Neha. And I just think that, you know, you said so many nice things about me. I don't know where to begin with you. It's just and she's such a wonderful girl that, you know, it really takes a very secure person to say such lovely things about someone else. So that's a huge compliment.
Mr. Latif, on your right side. What are the
Hi,
safety measures?
Silpa Akhilesh here from TV24.
Excuse me. Can we just raise your hand so that I can see and I can point out towards you? Thanks.
Here.
So the gentleman on the left-hand side,
Yes,
can
yes.
you, yeah. I'll come
शिल्पा
back to
जी
you.
मेरा
I'll come
सवाल
back to you.
आपसे है शिल्पा जी मेरा सवाल आपसे है यहाँ पे हूँ आपके लेफ्ट साइड में हूँ मैं
Shilpa on the left side.
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
बिल्कुल लाइट के सामने.
Yeah.
ओके हाँ शिल्पा जी मेरा सवाल ये है जिम्मेदारियों को लेकर जिम्मेदारी जब कहते हैं कंधों पर पड़ता है तो बचपन याद आ जाता है तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर पड़ गई है ये बेस्ट डील को टीवी को लेकर
बहुत ही डीप सा सवाल पूछा है आपने मुझसे. मेरी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. मेरी सारी जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ मैं अपने पति के कंधों पर छोड़ देती हूँ और हाँ वो संभाल लेते हैं मेरी जिम्मेदारियाँ.
One second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Right, gentleman
Mr.
over here.
Latif.
On the right.
Yeah, Mr. Latif, my question to you is, normally people are scared to buy on online shopping and all, the expensive things and all. So what are the safety measures for the customers taken by eBay?
Safety and trust.
Safety measures.
Yeah.
Safety
Okay.
measures. What are the services you are providing so that easily we can go and go? Normally this is
Yeah,
misconception that you should not buy on online expensive things and all.
Okay. So, you know, we have been in this business for 20 years. And so we have learned what it is to earn customer trust. And we have policies that we have put in place. So, for example, in India, we were the first to offer a platform, a trust platform called PaisaPay. PaisaPay is a platform where the seller only gets paid after the buyer has received the product and has confirmed that is exactly what they wanted. So that is number one. Second is everything that you buy on eBay also comes with the eBay guarantee, which ensures 100% satisfaction or refund. So, you know, these are policies that eBay has across the globe. Because customer satisfaction, buyer satisfaction is paramount when you're doing business online. And that is something our sellers are also well acquainted with, and they participate enthusiastically in satisfying the customer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Shilpa and Neha, this is Ekta from Z. I want to know that, you know, you guys are best deals when it comes to your channel. But when you guys started considering that you are not from filmy families, was it expensive to be an actor because, you know, you have to project yourself in a certain light, be it clothes or lifestyle or whatever?
I really thank the stylists that have been introduced into our lives at this point. Firstly, it was really cumbersome to stand in front of the wardrobe and choose what you've not worn before, because you've got the fashion police ready to shoot you down. But all said and done, I've totally digressed. What was the real question?
Was it expensive to be an actress?
It is expensive when you have to go and buy your own clothes and make sure that you make a style statement, and at the same time, you know, you're doing something different and setting a trend. But I think, you know, it really depends on how seriously you take it. So there are times where I've repeated stuff and I honestly have reached a point where I don't care. But Neha is truly a fashion goddess, so actually you should be asking her this question.
Neha,
Yeah,
same
she's
question
always
for
so
you.
well turned out. It's annoying after a point.
Neha, same question for you. Was it considering that you are also from a non-filmy family? So was it expensive to be start in film industry?
But how do you know that my dad couldn't afford to buy me expensive
I'm
clothes?
just saying. I'm not saying that your dad. I'm not saying that whether it's a question of affordability or not. I'm just saying that when you have to project yourself in a certain light, was it expensive? Like, not the point that your family could afford it or not.
I have to clarify that by saying that expensive clothes don't always make you look good. So I know how to I don't say that I can put things together, but I do high street shopping. Like in my head, I'm still a college girl who works out of a monthly shopping fund, and I pretty much shop from there. And I don't whether I wear a black skirt from Versace or whether I wear a black skirt from Zara or whether I wear a black skirt from eBay. Had to put that in. But it's pretty much, it's how you carry the clothes off. But yeah, like Shilpa said, it is high pressure, and I feel like, it's changing. There was a point where it was reaching a place where it was a lot of high pressure, but I think now actresses and models and public people, people who are in the limelight altogether have understood that, and they're taking it easy. But yeah, you spend when you have the money. When you don't make the big bucks, you don't spend. You kind of cut your you just cut your coat according to your cloth. It's pretty simple.
Thank you.
Congratulations for your very strong shoulders, because now your Shilpa has already told that everything burdens on your shoulder. How you manage to come up with new assignments every time you're on the news with gold, with best deals, then with sports also. What is the secret, and can you tell me more about it?
I was discussing with Latif. I get very bored of businesses very fast. Once it's on autopilot, I like to move on and try the next challenge. I've been one who's taken challenges in life at every time of life. From the age of 17, when I was probably stacking shelves in a supermarket, to the age of 40 when I'm launching a new product every day. But out of all the businesses that I've done, this one is something that I'm treating really close to my heart. Every day is a new challenge. There's a new product. The life of a product sort of goes up, and then you see it starting to come down, and you need to be innovative enough. So this is not letting me get bored. Every day I leave home, I drop my son to school 9 a.m., I'm back home for 8 p.m., we have dinner, and we get little chance to discuss much. So her burden is not much. Luckily, my wife is very light, so I can take this burden in. But no, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. It's fantastic, and this association with eBay. Hi, how are you? No, not at all. So sweet of him. It was in your way. So yeah, it's a great challenge every day. We have new products, we have new launches. This association with eBay will help our products go further and for us to create more turnover. And I'm proud to be working with one of the most profitable e-commerce websites in India, probably the only profitable website in India, actually.
Any more product in pipeline?
We have lots. There's a pipeline there's a dozen celebrities that are working with us. It takes time. It takes 6 to 9 months to develop products. So even when Neha started, way before we even launched Best Deal TV, we just discussed a product. It took 3 to 6 months to get the quality right, because when they put their name to it, it's my reputation at stake, because if the product's not good, they're going to come and strangle me. So be it Shilpa, be it Neha, be it Akshay Kumar, be it anyone, their products have to be tip-top, and we have a quality lab which makes sure that the product is what it is. So somebody was asking a question about trust of the product and the seller. I think that's when eBay and I come together, and you know that neither eBay or Best Deal is running away. If you don't like what you buy, we'll refund you straight away.
Apart from Neha...
Sorry, last two questions.
Apart from Neha, who is the other celebrities you're going to sign in?
So you got Akshay Kumar, who's obviously co-owner in the company, as well as launching a product with us. We've got Farah Khan, who's launching a fantastic product, which we shoot for on Saturday. Sanjeev Kapoor is already live. I signed Chhota Bheem. He's one of our great... But going forward, we have... which is exclusive to Best Deal TV, and now obviously to eBay as well internationally.
Hi, and Shilpa. What is your take on in-film branding, where you have actresses in films or actors in films who are endorsing a product, and most of the time it is actually very forced and comical. So do you agree to that, and what is your take?
I think they do that because it's some way of kind of recovering, the investment that you've put into the movie. So that's the easiest way out. But if I did a movie, they'd have to make sure that those products are sold on Best Deal TV. So it could be a conflict of interest, but I don't know. What do you have to say, Neha?
Yeah, I mean, it is revenue return, and I have to agree with the point that you made that most of the times it kind of gets too in your face. But there are some films where they are subtle about it. They're beginning to get subtle. I was watching something online this morning, like a web series, and there was a lot of, in-film branding. But it was extremely subtle. It didn't hurt the eyes at all. A film that I saw a lot of in-film branding was Piku. But it was subtle. Like it wasn't something that really made it didn't hurt the eyes at all. But I mean, it's a sense of security. I mean, I think filmmakers, producers, directors, if they have a strong marketing team, they should be allowed to do that. Internationally also, it's done so much. I mean, I can go on and on about it. I mean, I don't want to take names of competitors, but even Mission Impossible 6 opens with, you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to take that name on stage. So it's more than in-film branding because, you have slates coming and, it's cool. But people should be subtle about it. If I were to make a film, I wouldn't have a product there, but I would have a product there somewhere.
And selling films versus selling products, which is more difficult for both of you?
I would say selling films is harder, for sure. Because you guys decide pretty much the minute you see the first look or the first promo कि यार इसके लिए जाएंगे, इसके लिए इसको हम download कर लेंगे, इसके लिए हम DVD खरीद लेंगे. So it's very hard. But selling a product, like if somebody sold it and you were like नहीं नहीं यार यहाँ से क्या खरीदना है, but then your friend comes up and says you should try it out, and even 6 months later the product can pick up. It's not like it has a much longer shelf life than a film does. So that's why selling a film is much harder, because a film has just like the 9 a.m. or the 1 p.m. show on a Friday. After that, you guys decide.
Well, I have a different take. Please. So, no, I agree with the fact that selling a film is harder. But I think when you choose a product, when you choose a movie, you're doing it because you like the character and it's you have a different role to play. But when you're doing a product, it has to be synonymous with you. At least that's the way I look at it. So I don't do a product that's not synonymous with me, that I don't agree with. The philosophy of it has to work with my philosophy. So I will not endorse a product if I'm not pro that product, or if I won't use it in my life, or I'm averse to promoting it to the new gen, to the Gen Next. So they're totally two different things. So yeah.
Okay, last two questions. The lady over there and the gentleman over there. Yeah.
Hi, Shilpa. Hi. It's
Mr. India.
Yeah. Third row.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. It's truly nice to meet you, and it's dream come true for me. It's truly nice. Yes, that I want to ask. That's how you manage. Okay. Hello. Nice. Hi, Shilpa. And just one thing that I want to ask, that how you manage the all multitasking, means at a one. How you manage all multitasking, means all the acting, films, and yeah. It's
Acting तो खैर मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ, because that would be I would be driven mad. But I think अब क्योंकि व्यान 3 साल का हो गया है, अब थोड़ा सा कम वक्त लेता है वो मेरे से, क्योंकि अब स्कूल है 9 से 3, so I have half the day. Yay! But I think हम women जो है ना, हम born multitaskers हैं. I think it's just inbuilt in us, and we are conditioned to be that way. So I take it as a huge compliment that you think I multitask, which I do actually. It's hard, but I love it. I love being a woman, and I love doing everything that I'm doing.
Okay, that's nice. And we want to see your products. Means
Want to see my products? Very, very soon.
Yeah,
and also,
yeah.
while you ask me that, amongst all the other things that I'm multitasking with, I'm in the midst, I've already finished and I've completed my book on nutrition, and it should be releasing very, very soon in November. That'll be a separate announcement. But since we're here and we've got this beautiful platform, I'd like to also say that, for all my worldwide audiences and the fans who want to know what I've written and what I stand by and what I swear by, which is what I've written about. It's about this book on how you can stay fit. I'm not going to divulge the name today because that would be unfair. But I have discussed it with Latif, and I'm going to be putting it on eBay for all the people who are interested in living a more healthy life. And I can assure you that you won't be let down.
Yes, definitely. And Neha, we like to see your products and what your brand and.
We're going to introduce you.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much.
Okay, last question.
Yeah, hi. My question is to Shilpa and Raj. This is for the shopping thing. Just want to ask, आप दोनों में से more of shopaholic कौन है?
I'm a self-confessed. Shopping is an art, and I'm an artist.
Okay, thank you.
Raj, hi. Congratulations for the new venture. आपसे जानना चाहते थे, बीच में रिपोर्ट्स आई थी कि आपकी टीम आईपीएल में वापस खेलेगी.
ये माइक सीधा अभी तुम पे आने वाला है ये.
We hardly get to
प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने से पहले मैं माइक लॉन्च करने वाली हूँ.
Last, Shilpa. Thank you guys.
Raj, just wanted to get your reaction. How true is the news?
हर बार बेस्ट डील नहीं मिलती, but बेस्ट डील पे बेस्ट डील मिलेगी.
Okay, thank you.